technologies raise very important social, ethical, and political questions that no engineering student can avoid. In this workshop, social scientists met over the course of 2 days with students, engineering students from diverse fields to familiarize them with some fundamental concepts and frameworks in the social sciences. Our aim was to have the participants reflect upon the intrinsically social and political nature of engineering, and to have them be cognizant of the fact that technology is never merely a technical question. Through a series of lectures, students were split into groups to develop their own project proposals, which they presented in the closing session. We got really good feedback from the participants. We hope that this will be a formative experience for them, and as future engineers they will be guided by the insights they gained as they develop their projects with social impact.
Personally, yes. I actually think that it was really useful for me, as I want to pursue a career in research, in physics research. And in order to do that, I have to think of ways of interacting with people and finding solutions to societal problems. For example, if my work could help people reach other planets and reach further into space, I will be really glad, because it would be helpful for the humanity, as our planet is in a degrading state and we must find solutions outside our planet in order to ensure that we can survive. And it really takes a lot of thinking and of creativity in order to come up with solutions that can help people be more flexible with changing their way of living and their way of perceiving this type of situations.
I think this was a very colorful workshop, and it was very educative for me. I'm an architecture major, and with all of those engineers I created so many ideas for myself and for my future expectations. Overall, I think it was a lot of fun. I met so many people and I liked all of them. It was very fun.
Hi, my name is Berke and I am a senior management engineering student from ITU. It was a really good experience for us. We met a lot of people from different nationalities and we learned a lot of things. Especially, I learned the importance of the thinking way of the engineers, because it's really important to see the effect of our engineering projects on the human life. And thank you for everybody who organized this event. Thank you.